Megs.
Step to the front, boo-boo.
I saw Megs wear this wig. You love Megs? Yes. We all love Megs? Yes. I saw her wear this wig and I knew immediately I was gonna get my hands on this wig. Y'all, we just finna jump right into it. This wig right here, okay? Inside of this box is a package of joy. All right, baby, she wore that thing. She wore that wig. I said, I know I'm gonna get my hands on this thing right here. So, bam, hold a minute. Let me get, cause I'm not finna sit up here and tell no story. This is the Chic Allure full wig, plop on and go, which means no lace, no glue, no gel, no bibbity bop bop. Put it on, run down there to the post office to pick up your stamps. That's it, that's all. And baby, y'all know the type of wig that it is. It has bangs. Now I have 14 inches because I believe it comes in 12 and 14. I want you to see the longest length.
But y'all know I'm gonna chop that thing.
Chop, chop, chop that thing. Yeah, cause when it comes to bobs, give me what I want. Give me what I want. Give me what I want. When it comes to those bobs, give me what I want. Give me what I want. Give me what I want. When it comes to these bobs, give me what I want. And I want 10 to 12. So I'm gonna chop it up. Let's get off up in this box. We're not really still doing unboxings in 2026, but this is so nice. When they put the effort into it, I want to show y'all, okay? When they put the effort into it, we must go through it, huh? This is so classy. This is packet sauce, y'all. Look at it. You don't what? Swap. Don't you swap that thing. Swap that thing. This is the wig. You know they always throw you a couple of combs in there. You want to put some combs in there. You about to get rowdy this weekend. You want to throw some combs. I'm just saying. But this is the shake and go full wig. Kinky blowout, which means it's finna look natural. That's description. Ooh, and there's an elastic. Oh, yeah. This wig ain't going nowhere, y'all. Toss it on and go over to Sprouts and get your peaches. That little piece right there is going to give the illusion of scalpiana edge. Yeah, look at that. The people going to think that's your scalp, okay? So when y'all stand up in church to read the word and you the last one because you still flipping through the Bible, so everybody behind you done already stood up and they looking at the top of that face, they're gonna see that right there. They're gonna be like, she got a healthy scalp. That's what they're gonna say. And then you gonna stand up because the word was Genesis, so you was already supposed to be over there. Okay, so we have combs in here, and you have, I can't get the net off. I got too much in my hand right now. Okay, just accept the net with it. Elastic band with the silicone strip that's gonna hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. Yeah. Oh, and we have a drawstring. Baby, this wig ain't going nowhere. How it's gonna do that? How it's gonna go? Did I lose a nail? Oh, I lost a nail. That's okay. Look how it's cut. Look at the cut. It's already beautiful, y'all. I'm gonna cut it some more, but it's already beautiful. And if the bangs are too long for you, snip a little bit. Do a little bit at a time because, hey, it's much harder to fix if you snip too much. Watch this. Watch how fly this looks, y'all. I ain't lying. I'm gonna plop it on right off the box. You don't have to add any heat. It looks like a head full of beautiful, natural, blown out hair. That's what it looks like, okay? I'm gonna put a little heat to that thing. You see how you got the bang right there? And then you have the longest layer right there? We're gonna disrupt all that, honey. It's gonna be little layers all the way. I'm hyped. Yeah, I like this. I like all the security that is attached to this wig. So even though there's no glue, none of that stuff, it's still secure. It is still, and don't mess around and put your wig grip cap on like I do. You can shower, you can do all that. You don't need glue for it to push through. It's secure. If you want it more secure, put that band across the back. Huh? Pull that drawstring. Where it's gonna go? Nowhere. Oh, watch. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Watch what I do with this wig. Don't you go nowhere. Cause I know when y'all be moving. Liddick done told me. When y'all be moving, don't you go nowhere. I'm finna show you what to do. Anna done told me. Don't do that. Don't do. I'm on that coffee today. I'm on that coffee today. Okay. Okay, watch this.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine. heart just skipped a beat. Yeah, this feeling is getting so strong.